We have multiplication of polynomials. In the first parenthesis we have trinomial because we have 3 terms, and in the second we have binomial because we have 2 terms. How we do multiplication of polynomials? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. First we have t squared, so term t squared we have to multiply times t minus 3. Next we have negative 4t. We have to multiply it by the whole expression in the second parenthesis, and we have negative 5 times t minus 3. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to multiply every expression in the parenthesis by monomial which is before parenthesis. So this is equal. First we have t squared times t. Next t squared times negative 3, so it will be negative 3t squared. We have to write first number and next variable, and when we don't have signs always positive, so positive times negative give me negative. Next we have negative times positive, so again will be negative, and 4t times t is t squared. Negative times negative, so will be positive. 4 times 3, so this is 12, and t we have to rewrite. And now we have monomial negative 5 before parentheses, so negative 5 times t is negative 5t. Negative times negative give me positive. 5 times 3 is 15. So now this is equal. First we have t squared times t. When we don't have exponent, it's always invisible 1. The same base, we have multiplication, so we copy the base and we add exponents. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And next we can combine the like terms also. We have t squared, and t and t. So first we have t squared. Negative 3 and negative 4. So we keep negative sign and we have to just add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. And next we have to rewrite variable t squared. Next we have positive 12t and negative 5t. So we have to look only for the numbers. We have positive 12 and negative 5. We keep the sign, the largest number is positive 12, so we will be positive. And now we have to just subtract 12 minus 5 is 7. And we have to rewrite t. Next, we have only 15. We don't have the like terms, so this is my solution.